는 이미 당할 만큼 당했고 이젠 더 이상 이런 일이 있어서는 안 됩니다. 우리는 이 steal, 훔쳐지는 것을 이제는 멈출 것입니다. 이거는 가깝게 이긴 선거도 아니었고 우리가 대규모 차이로 이긴 선거였습니다. 그리고 오늘 제가 그 증거들을 다 여러분들께 나열해 드릴 것입니다.
Almost 75 million people voted for our campaign, the most of any incumbent president by far in the history.
우리를 위해서 약 7,500만 명의 국민들이 투표를 해 주셨습니다. 어마어마한 숫자입니다.
And I was told by the real pollsters, we do have real pollsters, they know that we were going to do well and we were going to win. But I was told if I went from 63 million, which we had 4 years ago, to 66 million, there was no chance of losing. Well, we didn't go to 66.
네, 제대로 된 여론조사 기관의 조사에 따르면 우리가 이번에 분명히 이길 거라고 했고 7,500만 명이 아니라 6,600만 명만 돼도 이길 수 있을 거라고 그 여론조사 기관들이 얘기했었습니다. 제대로 된 여론조사 기관에서요.
He had 80 million computer votes. It's a disgrace. There's never been anything like that. You could take third world countries. Just take a look. Take third world countries. Their elections are more honest than what we've been going
네,
through.
제3세계 다른 국가들을 봐도 우리나라보단 정확한 선거를 하고 있습니다.
Even when you look at last night, they're all running around like chickens with their heads cut off with boxes and nobody knows what the hell is going on.
어제 상원 결선 선거에서도 무슨 일이 일어났는지 우리는 아무도 알 수 없습니다. 아무것도 알 수 없습니다. 또 다른 부정이 일어났다는 걸 암시하고 있는 것 같습니다. 더 이상은 이런 일이 있으면 안 됩니다. 혹시 소리 밸런스 안 좋으시면 댓글로 한 번씩 남겨주세요.
Tens of thousands of people would be allowed. The military, the Secret Service, and we want to thank you, and the police, law enforcement, great, you're doing a great job. But I'd love it if they could be allowed to come up here with us. Is that possible? Can you just let them come up, please? And Rudy, you did a great job.
루디 줄리아니를 칭찬하고 있습니다.
He's got guts. You know what? He's got guts.
He's got guts. 루디 줄리아니는 용기 있는 사람입니다.
He's got guts. He fights.
그는 싸울 줄 아는 사람입니다.
I'll tell you, thank you very much, John. Fantastic job. I watched. That's a tough act to follow, those two.
그리고 루디에게 감사하고
John
있습니다.
is one of the most brilliant lawyers in the country, and he looked at this and he said, what an absolute disgrace that this could be happening to our Constitution. And he looked at Mike Pence, and I hope Mike is going to do the right thing. I hope so.
마이크 펜스가 옳은 일을 하기를 바라고 있습니다. 마이크 펜스가 옳은 일을 하면 우리는 이 선거를 이길 수 있습니다.
This is from the number one, or certainly one of the top constitutional lawyers in our country. He has the absolute right to do it. We're supposed to protect our country.
나라에서 헌법 변호사로 가장 잘 알려진 사람이 마이크 펜스의 역할에 대해서 말해주었고 헌법에 따라서 그의 역할에 따라 우리가 승리할 수 있다고 했습니다.
The states got defrauded. They were given false information. They voted on it. Now they want to recertify. They want it back. All Vice President Pence has to do is send it back to the states to recertify. And we become president, and you are the happiest people.
마이크 펜스가 오늘 합동회의 때 할 수 있는 일은 두 가지 슬레이트에서 이제 주 입법부에게 더 맞다고 생각하는 슬레이트를 고르도록 그 선택권을 주도록 할 수 있다는 얘기를 하고 있습니다. 그렇게 할 경우에 각 경합주에서 제대로 된 슬레이트, 즉 공화당 슬레이트를 고를 수 있다면 트럼프 측에서 선거를 이길 수 있다고 주장하고 있습니다.
have traveled from all across the nation to be here, and I want to thank you for the extraordinary love. That's what it is.
전국 각지에서 모여주신 많은 분들께 감사드립니다. 이런 것은 저도 처음 봅니다. 이 나라를 위한 여러분들의 어마어마한 사랑에 감사드립니다.
By the way, this goes all the way back past the Washington Monument. Do you believe this? Look at this.
네, 지금 얼마나 많은 관중들이 모였는지 설명하고 있어요.
They gave the press the prime seats. I can't stand that. No, but you look at that behind. I wish they'd flip those cameras and look behind you. That is the most amazing sight.
네, 카메라를 돌려서 보시면 오른쪽에 나오는 화면처럼 사람들이 쭉 줄 서서 모여 있는 광경을 보실 수 있습니다. 네, 주류 언론은 이 장면을 놓치고 있다고 말하고 있고요.
We will not take the name off the Washington Monument. We will not. Cancel culture. You know, they wanted to get rid of the Jefferson Memorial. Either take it down or just put somebody else in there. I don't think that's going to happen. It damn well better not. Although with this administration, if this happens, it could happen. You'll see some really bad things happen.
네, 다른 행정부에서는 토마스 제퍼슨 메모리얼까지 없애려고 하고 있는데 그건 말도 안 되는 일이라는 얘기를 하고 있습니다.
You hurt our monuments, you hurt our heroes. You go to jail for 10 years and everything stopped. You notice that? It stopped.
이 나라의 중요한 유산들이나 유물들을 파괴해선 안 된다고 말하고 있습니다.
Rudy back in New York City, Rudy. They could use you. Your city's going to hell. They want Rudy Giuliani back in New York.
지금 루디 줄리아니 변호사가 전 뉴욕 시장이었는데 다시 뉴욕이 루디를 필요로 하고 있다고 얘기를 하고 있습니다.
Together in the heart of our nation's capital for one very, very basic and simple reason: to save our democracy. You know, most candidates on election evening, and of course, this thing goes on so long, they still don't have any idea what the votes are. We still have congressional seats under review. They have no idea. They've totally lost control. They've used the pandemic as a way of defrauding the people in a proper election. But you know, when you see this and when you see what's happening, number one, they all say, sir, we'll never let it happen again. I said, that's good, but what about 8 weeks ago? You know, they try and get you to go. They say, sir, in 4 years, you're guaranteed. I said, I'm not interested right now. Do me a favor, go back 8 weeks. I want to go back 8 weeks. Let's go back 8 weeks.
감사합니다.
We want to go back and we want to get this right because we're going to have somebody in there that should not be in there and our country will be destroyed and we're not going to stand for that. For years, Democrats have gotten away with election fraud and weak Republicans, and that's what they are.
네, 다시 얘기합니다.
There's so many weak Republicans.
네, 몇 년간 민주당은 선거에 부정을 행하고 있었고 이미 네, 이번에는 대규모 부정이었지만 계속해서 그 부정은 이뤄지고 있었다고 얘기하고 있습니다.
I helped them get elected. I helped Mitch get elected. I could name 24 of them, let's say. I won't bore you with it.
그리고 제가 24명의 공화당 의원까지 당선시켜주는 것을 도와주었었죠. 그런데 그 공화당들이 용기 있게 나서지 않고 다 이제 배신하고 있는 것들에 대해서 weak Republican, 즉 연약한 공화당들이라고 부르고 있습니다.
You're stronger, you're smarter, you've got more going than anybody, and they try and demean everybody having to do with us, and you're the real people. You're the people that built this nation. You're not the people that tore down our nation.
좌파 사람들이 이 나라를 무너뜨리려고 할 때 여기 모인 여러분들은 이 나라를 다시 세우고 다시 살리고자 하는 똑똑한 사람들입니다.
They've turned a blind eye, even as Democrats enacted policies that chipped away our jobs, weakened our military.
네, 민주당은 우리의 일자리를 빼앗아가고 군대도 더 약하게 만들었습니다. 네, 조 바이든은 미국 우선주의를 없애려고 하고 있죠. 만약에 미국 우선주의를 없앤다고 해도 그렇게 말하면 안 되는 거 아닌가요?
And if they don't fight, we have to primary the hell out of the ones that don't fight. You primary them, we're gonna let you know who they are. I could already tell you, frankly. But this year, using the pretext of the China virus and the scam of mail-in ballots.
네, 올해는 코로나 바이러스를
Democrats
이용해서
attempted the most brazen
우편
and
투표를
outrageous election theft. And
이용해서
there's never been
이
anything
선거를
like this.
선거에 대한
It's a pure
부정을
theft in
민주당은
American history. Everybody knows it.
계속해서
That
지속했고
election, our election, was over at 10 o'clock in the evening.
우리 선거는
We're leading
11월 3일 당일 밤에
Pennsylvania,
끝났어야만
Michigan,
했는데
Georgia,
네, 그들의
by
부정으로
hundreds of
인해서
thousands of votes. And then late in the evening or
네,
early in the
수만
morning,
수십만 표가 조작이
boom,
되고
these explosions of bullshit. And all
말도 안
of a
되는 일이
sudden,
벌어졌습니다.
all of a sudden it started to happen.
네, 그런 선거 부정이 일렉션 당일날, 선거 당일날 밤에 갑자기 시작되었다고 얘기하고 있고 네, 지금까지 트럼프 대통령이 지속적으로 해왔던 말을 네, 지금 관중들
Don't forget
앞에서
when Romney
정리하고
got beat.
있습니다.
Romney, did you see his? I wonder if he enjoyed his flight in last night. But when Romney got beaten, you know, he stands up like your more typical. Well, I'd like to congratulate the victor. The victor. Who was the victor, Mitt? I'd like to congratulate. They don't go and look at the facts. Now I don't know. He got slaughtered. Probably. Maybe it was okay. Maybe it was. That's what happened. But we look at the facts, and our election was so corrupt that in the history of this country we've never seen anything like it. You can go all the way
지금까지
back.
이렇게
You know,
부패한
America
선거는
is
한 번도
blessed
미국 역사상 있었던
with
적이
elections.
없었습니다.
All over the world they talk about our elections. You know what the
그래서
world
전
says
세계가
about
모두
us now?
우리나라를 보고 이
They
선거를
said we
보고
don't have free and fair elections, and you know what else?
네, 관찰하고
We don't
있는
have a
상황인데
free and fair press. Our media is not
우리의
free,
미디어는
it's not fair.
완전
It
부패했고
suppresses
우리의
thought,
표현의 자유는
it suppresses
없어졌습니다.
speech, and it's become the enemy of the people. It's become the enemy of the people. It's the biggest problem we have in this country. No third world countries would even attempt to do what we caught them doing. And
자,
you'll hear
우리가
about
지금
that in just a
포착한
few
그런
minutes.
부정 선거들을
Republicans are-
제3세계 나라도 하지 않을 것입니다.
Republicans are constantly fighting like a boxer
네, 공화당은 박서처럼 싸우고 있습니다.
behind his back. It's like a boxer.
네, 손을
And we
뒤로
want to
하고
be so nice.
네,
We want to be
공격하지
so
않는 박서처럼
respectful of
싸우고
everybody,
있습니다.
including
네.
bad people.
연약한 공화당에
And
대해서
we're
얘기를
gonna
하고
have to fight
있습니다.
much harder.
네, 더 용기 있게
And
싸워야
Mike Pence
되는데
is gonna
손을
have
뒤로
to come
하고
through for
네,
us.
싸우고 있다고
And if
말을
he
하고
doesn't,
있습니다.
that will be a sad day for our country, because you're sworn to uphold our Constitution.
당신들은 우리의 헌법을
Now it
받들기
is up
위해서
to
맹세를
Congress
했는데
to confront this egregious assault on our democracy.
그런데 이
And after
민주주의에
this,
이런
we're gonna
피해를
walk down, and
가져다주는
I'll be
일들에
there
대해서
with you.
나서지
We're
않는
gonna
부분에
walk
대해서
down.
트럼프 대통령이 네, 지적하고
We're
있습니다.
going to walk down anyone you want, but I think right here we're going to walk down to the Capitol, and we're going to cheer on our brave senators and
자,
congressmen and women.
우리는 이 연설 후에 의회까지 쭉 걸어가면서 그곳에 있는 상원 의원들을 응원할 것입니다.
Because you'll never take back our country with weakness. You have to show strength and you have to be strong.
우리는 힘으로 맞서야 됩니다. 연약함으로는 우리는
We
다시
have come
그
to
힘을
demand
찾을
that
수가 없습니다.
Congress do the right thing and only count the electors who have been lawfully slated. Lawfully slated.
네, 합법적으로
I
당선된
know that everyone
선거인만
here will soon
네,
be
선택이
marching
되고
over to
당선이
the
되어야
Capitol
합니다.
building to peacefully and patriotically make your voices heard. Today we will see whether Republicans stand strong for integrity of our elections.
그래서 오늘
or whether
여러분과
or not
함께
they
이
stand
자리에서
strong for our
우리의
country.
공화당 상원
Our
하원
country.
의원들이
Our
네,
country
용기 있게
has
이
been
나라를 위해서
under
나서는지
siege
한번
for a long
지켜보겠습니다.
time. Far longer than this 4-year period. We've set it on a much straighter course, I thought, 4 more years, I thought it would be easy. We created the greatest economy in history. We
네,
rebuilt our
우리는
military. We gave you
지금까지
the
4년
biggest
동안
tax cuts in history.
네, 세금 인하와 여러 가지 경제적인 성과를 거두었고 최고의 성과를 거두었는데 저는 4년 더 재임하는 것이 쉬울 줄 알았습니다.
Or in one case more, got anywhere near the regulation cuts. It used to take 20 years to get a highway approved. Now we're down to 2. I want to get it down to 1.
트럼프 대통령이 본인이 했던 규제 완화들에 대해서 이야기하고 있고 그것들로 인해서 어떻게 나라가 발전할 수 있었는지에 대해서 정리하고 있습니다.
We created Space Force.
우주군을 창립했고
Our military has been totally rebuilt.
우리 군대는
So we
다시금
create Space
재건되었습니다.
Force which by and of itself is a major achievement for an administration. And with us, it's one
특히나
of so
우주군
many
창립에
different
대해서
things.
굉장한 자부심을
Right to
가지고
try.
있습니다.
Everybody know about right to try. We did things that nobody ever thought possible.
아무도
We took care of
가능할
our
거라고
vets.
생각하지
Our
못했던
vets,
일을
the VA
우리 행정부에서
now has
해냈습니다.
the highest rating, 91%, the highest rating that it's had from the beginning. 91% approval rating. Always you watch the VA, it was on television every night, people living in a horrible manner. We got that done. We got accountability done. We got it so that now in the VA, you don't have to wait for 4 weeks, 6 weeks, 8 weeks, 4 months to see a doctor. If you can't get a doctor, you go outside, you get the doctor, you have them taken care of.
네, 헬스케어에 대해서도 얼마나 트럼프 대통령이
And
많은
we've not
발전을
only
가져다
made
주었는지에 대해서
life
정리하고 있고요.
wonderful for so many people, we've saved tremendous amounts of money, far secondarily, but we've saved a lot of money. And now we have the right to fire bad people in the VA. We had 9,000 people that treated our veterans horribly. In prime time, they would not have treated our veterans badly.
네.
But they treated our veterans horribly. And we have what's called the VA
참전 용사들, 즉
Accountability Act.
유공자들에게 트럼프가 제공했던 혜택들 그리고 다시 찾게 해준 권한들에 대해서 이야기하고 있습니다.
We say, Joe, you're fired. Get out of here. Before you couldn't do that. You couldn't do that before. So we've taken care of things. We've done things like nobody's ever thought possible.
우리 행정부는 아무도 가능하다고 생각하지 않았던 그런 일들을 다 해냈습니다. 너무 많은 일을 해냈죠. 빨리 해냈어요. 그래서 충분히 쉽게 대선에서 이길 줄 알았는데 결국엔 이 자리에 여러분과 나와서 이렇게 싸우고 있습니다. 네, 선거 당일 밤 10시에 이 모든 것이 끝났어야만 했는데 그렇게 되지 않았죠. 네, 선거 당일 이후에 벌어진 일들을 보면 재앙입니다. 완전 재앙 같습니다. 네, 위스콘신에서는 엄청 많은 차이로 이기고 있었는데 그리고 언론에서도 오하이오가 이제 다 끝났고 플로리다도 다 끝났다고 했는데 텍사스도 근데 결국에 우리는 히스패닉과 블랙 커뮤니티의 표를 성공적으로 얻어냈습니다.
A very important event though, because right over there, right there, we see the event going to take place, and I'm going to be watching because history is going to be made. We're going to see whether or not we have great and courageous leaders or whether
조금
or
후에
not
있을
we have
합동회의에서
leaders that should be
용기
ashamed
있는
of
많은
themselves.
리더들, 상하원 의원들이 어떻게 하느냐에 따라서 네, 역사가 만들어질 것입니다.
And you know what? If they do the wrong thing, we should never ever forget.
만약에 그들이 틀린 결정을 한다면 우리는 절대 그 일을 잊어서는 안 될 것입니다.
With only 3 of the 7 states in question, we win the presidency of the United States. And by the way, it's much more important today than it was 24 hours ago. Because, I spoke to David Perdue, what a great person.
어제 있었던 상원 결선보다 사실 오늘이 제일 중요합니다.
But it was a setup. And you know, I said, we have no backline anymore. The only backline, the only line of demarcation, the only line that we have is the veto of the President of the United States. So this is now what we're doing, a far more important election than it was 2 days ago. I want to thank the more than 140 members of the House. Those are warriors. They're over there working.
네,
like you've never seen
140명의
before,
하원
studying,
의원들에게 너무
talking,
감사드립니다.
actually going all the way back, studying the roots of the Constitution,
그들은
because they know we have the right to send a bad vote.
헌법에
that was
대해서 아주
illegally
치밀하게
got.
다시
They gave
공부했고
these people bad things to vote for, and they voted because what did they know? And then when they found out,
네,
a few
용기를
weeks
내서
later,
싸우고 있습니다.
again, it took them 4 years to devise this screen. And the only unhappy person in the United States, single most unhappy, is Hillary Clinton, because she said, "Why didn't you do this for me 4 years ago?" Why didn't you do this for me 4 years ago? Change the votes, 10,000 in Michigan. You could have
지금 약간
changed the whole
비꼬면서
thing.
얘기하고
But,
있는데
she's not
네,
too
힐러리
happy. You
클린턴
don't
때
see-
힐러리
you don't see
클린턴이
her
졌을
anymore.
때
What happened? Where's
왜
Hillary?
이렇게 부정선거를
Where is
통해서 자기를 이기게 하지
But I wanna
않았냐고
thank all
힐러리가
of those
비난하고 있을 거란
congressmen
얘기를 하고 있습니다.
and women. I also want to thank our 13 most courageous members of the U.S. Senate.
네, 13명의 가장 용기 있는 상원 의원들에게 감사드립니다.
Senator Josh Hawley,
조시 할리에게도 감사합니다.
Kelly Loeffler.
켈리 라플러에게
And Kelly
감사합니다.
Loeffler, I'll tell you, she's been so great. She worked so hard.
네, 켈리 라플러를 칭찬하고 있습니다.
Let's give her and David a little special hand because it was rigged against them. Let's give her and David. Kelly Loeffler,
네,
David
조지아주에 있었던 공화당 상원 결선에서 똑같은 부정이 일어났기 때문에 그들에게 위로를 해주자는 말을 하고
That
있고요.
equipment should never have been allowed to be used. And I was telling these people, don't let them use this stuff. Marcia Blackburn, terrific person. Mike Braun, Indiana. Steve Daines, great guy.
네,
Bill
각 주마다
Hagerty,
칭찬하고
John
싶은
Kennedy,
의원들을 불러서
James
환영하고
Langford,
있습니다.
Cynthia Lumps, Tommy Tuberville, the coach,
타미 타버벨,
and Roger
네,
Marshall. We want to thank them. Senators that stepped up, we want to thank
네,
them.
이렇게 나서준 상원 의원들에게 감사합니다.
I actually think, though, it takes again more courage not to step up. And I think a lot of those people are going to find
오히려
that out.
나서지 않는
You
것이
better
더
start
큰
looking at
용기를
your
요구하는
leadership,
것입니다.
because your leadership has led you down the tubes. You know, we don't want to give $2,000 to people. We want to give them $600. Oh, great. How does that play politically? Pretty good.
네,
And this has
2,000달러
nothing
그
to do with
스티뮬러스 빌
politics.
재난지원금을 통과시키지 않은 이야기를 하고 있고요.
China destroyed these people.
네, 중국이
China destroyed them.
이 기득권
Totally
사람들을
destroyed
다
them.
망가뜨렸다고
We want to
말하고
give them
있습니다.
$600, and they just wouldn't change.
아, 중국인들이 미국인들을 다 망가뜨렸다고 얘기하고 있습니다.
We'll pay it back.
그래서
We'll
재난지원금을
pay it back fast.
미국 사람들에게 전달하는 것에 대해서 얘기하고 있고요.
Give them a couple of bucks. Let them
코로나
live.
바이러스 때문에
Give
중국이
them a
많은 피해를
couple of
끼쳤다는 얘기를 하고
bucks.
있습니다.
And some of the people here disagree with me on that, but I just say, look, you got to let people live. And how does that play, though? Okay, number one, it's the right thing to do. But how does that play politically? I think it's the primary reason, one of the primary reasons. The other was just pure cheating. That was the primary, super primary reason. But you can't do that. You got to use your head. As you know, the media has constantly asserted the outrageous lie that there was no evidence of widespread fraud. You ever see these people?
네, 주류 언론에서는 지속적으로 이 선거에 부정선거가 이제 근거 없는 이야기라고 말을 하고 있습니다.
Don't get bored listening to it. All those hundreds of thousands of people back there.
네, 그러니 그
Move
주류 언론을
up,
듣지
please.
마십시다.
Yeah. All these people, don't get bored. Don't get angry at me because you're going to get bored because it's so much. The American people do not believe the corrupt fake news anymore.
네, 미국
They have
사람들은
ruined their
더 이상은
reputation.
부패한 가짜 뉴스를
You
믿지
know, it used to
않습니다.
be that they'd argue with me. I'd fight. So I'd fight, they'd fight.